Hey, if your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't track your sleep, then first of all you need to remember that you have to actually put it properly on your wrist. So you have to just tie it like that. And if it is not contact with your skin, like for example you have it like that, or it's actually swing around your wrist, your hand, then this sleep data will be not collected. But also if you have here tattoos, it doesn't also detect your wrist. So you can also try to fix this by going into the settings of your watch, go into the settings, then open security and the privacy. And now, okay, that's so weird, let's just open it. And now we have to just find the wrist detection and simply turn it off. And once you do this, there should be no issue with your sleep detection. You can tell me in the comments if it actually works in your case. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.